Garnett Genuis lena dan kron kita ngaco people pi chasa anjuchi ushu ji bina kron albagan re ngaco people jawa ko yo mare ushu re da sne ro kron ge kacho ku yo re kita kron ge ten motion de hima tema chi kuchar wa ina tele parliament non pass chi tu amara da dali kron ge kusibu ngi da ji de kuya chi bro dan donda number 2 ji de chuchi nin sri ne kuchi tolen no so kron ko je sri ningunla ya tucho no ya da ushulu go da 저기 주제자와 대지에서 ningun nga chu chu dembu shega ne zering sung 시열에 zering dembu de nga chu ma kunjun de de parliament pa dembu ji nimba de chu nimba ne nga chu tucho nonon zie de tucho nonon zie gallery to ko ul ushulu ra ka nga miman de sa jarwa de ne de ushulu chawa ta shibalia acho de parliament ne tanda jami ki embassy yorwa de ba tanga kunjun de peace march victory march tanga jaka thobi ki de tanga chegala krong ki office yorwa Garnett Genuis ki office la ngacho ki reception che orda ngacho celebration yorwa o de le ngacho da trin din no neshu jinge beba ngapchu chi jami ngapchu tu ngapchu ki de samal ya teacher de le election de johnson ni chopa bill pass majing hin le ngacho chi na James Meloni da arrive the person to the layer there is some just individually requested wa daily bill the liberal ki ina resin jaju chiruji so the leader ma te shwai oh data dije data 또 들리시면서 나시 겹다 그거 건데 전에 아무 쇼 갔다 그거 건데 그거 뒤지 됐어 아까 이제 로고 가지고 말이야 Take care. Have a good day.
Have a good one.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming up.
I listened whole 2 hours debate.
Yeah. No, some things are a little wonky, but
All the best. You're the winners.
oh yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
I forget my
Well, we're going to be voting for the bill after question period at third reading, so we're quite excited about it.
Just make a history in Canadian House.
Absolutely, and thank you for all your support. You know, all your advocacy over the years allowed this to happen. It made MPs aware of the issue, and this is the strength of our democracy, right? Yes. Your democracy. Democracy in action. God bless you too, and all the best for the holidays.
That's going to be the best holiday gift.
Yes, and government of Canada just took this town on China because they're over 63 years genocides. So it is crucial time to resume the dialogue with China and Tibet and to dissolve the problem. So government of
Absolutely. Look, we have been long calling for the Canadian government to acknowledge the very real threat from communist leadership in Beijing and to take a stronger stand. They are slowly acknowledging what we have long been saying. They just released their Indo-Pacific strategy, which for the first time highlights the threat that China is. But more work needs to be done. They're still too slow to react to the threats. We've had reports of foreign interference in our federal elections. We've also had, we've had recently reports.
Formally expressing its agreement with this motion, we now finally have an opportunity for the Canadian House of Commons to decisively pronounce itself on Tibet's status and to make a clear call regarding Tibet's future. The motion reads that this committee call for dialogue between representatives of the Tibetan people, His Holiness the Dalai Lama or his representatives and/or the Central Tibetan Administration, and the government of the People's Republic of China with a view to enabling Tibet to exercise genuine autonomy within the framework of the Chinese Constitution. Mr. Speaker, this simple motion recognizes simple realities. The Tibetan people are a people. They have a shared culture, history, and language. They have shared traditions and institutions. Though not presently in a free self-governing country, Tibetans are a people who constitute a nation. As such, as a people, they have a God-given and an internationally codified right of self-determination. The people of Tibet, the people of all Tibet, and not just the more limited so-called TAR, the people of all Tibet have a right to choose their own leaders and to autonomously shape their own future. Tibetan leaders, however, are not using this right of self-determination to seek full independence from China. Rather, they are seeking a middle way, genuine autonomy for Tibet within the framework of the Chinese Constitution, perhaps similar to forms of federalism that exist throughout the world. Tibetans do not seek independence, they seek peace, accommodation, and compromise through the middle way approach. Mr. Speaker, it should be a clear-cut matter of moral principle and of international law that the aspiration of Tibetans for genuine autonomy.
Yeas pour 324, 324. Nays contre, nil aucun.
I declare the motion carried.
Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Stop the genocide! Stop the torture! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan! Free Stop harvesting! Let's go! Stop down! Stop down! China out! Free Turkestan! Free Turkestan!
Anybody living in China, we want freedom and democracy in China. So thank you for being here again.
The next thing we need is the bill. Yes, okay. Resolution is good, but the bill is better.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Just using it. Thank you.